How to create breakout rooms in Zoom. So if you want to create a breakout room in Zoom, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Zoom application. After opening your Zoom, now you need to go and start a meeting or join a meeting. Once you're under your meeting, here on the bottom, you will have an option of more. So go with more and then you'll be able to start a breakout room. But if you don't have an option of breakout room, then what you need to do is just simply go with the apps section. Click on apps, and from the apps, you need to go with add apps. And here you need to search for breakout. Once you search for breakout, you will have a get option on the right side, which is this twine. So you need to just go with get, and it has been added. Right, now once you click on add, then here it will ask you if you want to allow. So you just need simply go and allow the permission. After allowing the permission, now you'll have this kind of interface. Just wait for a few seconds. And here you will have create a breakout option. So click on create a breakout and then select an option that you would like to use and then go with continue and you'll be able to start a breakout. So that's how you can create breakouts, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.